finished with the shopping at the NCC Mall. We got some stuff from there. Now we're headed over to the public market. We're going to show you what the public market looks like here in Tagum, and yeah, show you some of the things you can buy there. Rose is in the back. Hey, Rose. She said hello. Hello. Yes. That looks like shrimp. Huh? You want shrimp?
Yeah.
So the trike ride, you see why probably once we got into this area why I didn't want to drive over here, because it's so busy. I'm just not used to it yet. Now we're looking around. Rose wants some shrimp, so that's what she's doing right now. Here at the public market in Tagum, they have all kinds of fresh fish, fresh shrimp, pork, everything. Let me show you. Thank you for correcting me, Rose. I make a lot of mistakes. She keeps an eye on me. Did you get enough? Oh, here you go. Oh, you got it? Okay. So we're looking for some fish, and they have tuna right here. Yay! That's a big tuna. That is a big tuna right there. So they're not going to run out of food, I'll tell you that. There's a lot of food here in this market. Oh, hold on, sweetie. A lot of people shopping. What do you think?
Sa kilo, ani matambaka?
Oops, sorry. Huh?
1 kilo.
They're little. Whoops, sorry. So how much tuna are you going to get? Tuna looks good.
450 for 1 kilo.
You want to get a kilo? Get a kilo.
Okay.
Think is that too much?
Okay, so we can have our kinilaw and fry.
Okay. Oh, yeah. So what is it, 450? Or something like that, around that? Well, that's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Oh, she's cutting it for you. Aww. That's nice. So we're saving some of it to cook or
Kaya
no?
lang hutag. Why? Kaya lang hutag.
What'd you tell her?
I do it not to cut all the time.
Leave some of it in chunks so they can cook it. What do you think? I think that's good too.
Kaya tama siguro.
We could get more if you think we need more.
Huh?
We could get more if you think we need more.
Is we have the small one?
Okay. So we're back into trying prices at the Tagum City Public Market on the things that we got. So we got like a kilo of tuna, and that was like what, 400 pesos? And we got a bunch of vegetables like onions, tomatoes, cucumbers. Yeah, and then like these peppers and stuff. And all together that was like, what, 100, 190? How much? How much was the vegetables? 209. 209. And then Rose got some little fish, and I don't know what kind they are. What kind of was this? Moro moro fish. They're tiny. They're small fish, but I guess they're good. Oh, and we got shrimp. How much was the shrimp? So 2 kilos of shrimp was 540 pesos, and the little fish was, I think, what, 100, something like that, 150. But yeah, prices are really reasonable, and I'm amazed at what you can get and how far, like, your money goes here versus like the United States, because the United States is expensive. Like just going shopping like this would have been probably over $100 or more, maybe even 150. So yeah, it's a big difference, and that's one of the things that makes living in the Philippines or living in like Tagum area, which I think is great, is just more of an affordable place, and it seems like the people are a lot friendlier, and that makes a big difference. You know, in the States it seems like everybody's gotten really hardened and mean, and I don't know, but here it's nice. It's kind of slower paced, even though the traffic is kind of a lot more, but you just get used to that. And what I've been doing since I got here is, like, if we go somewhere where the traffic's not going to be as bad, and I know it, I drive. But when we go to like a public market or something like that, where I don't know where to park or anything, since I'm new at driving, we just take like one of these little trikes, little green things, and they're very affordable. Like, you'd be amazed. So yeah, let's keep going.